Hey there, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make table of contents in Google Docs. Let's begin. So once you open up your Google document, you are going to format some of your text to make it a heading. So in order to create this table of contents, we need a few headings. So if I scroll down, I'm going to use the importance of trees. You're simply going to highlight the text, and then you're going to go to the area here where it says styles. From here, you're going to have normal text, subtitle, and so on. So make sure that it is not on normal text and that you either select any of these headings. So you can choose heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4. I'm going to use heading 1 and it's going to format the text for me. So now this is heading 1 and it is no longer a normal text. Then if I scroll down, I'm going to use this one as well. I'm going to highlight it, then go to the top, drop down option, then select heading 1. So now it's going to use the heading 1 format and it's going to reflect within our table of contents. So let's say signature. So signature, it's a normal text as you can see. Select the drop down option and you're going to select either heading. So heading 1, heading 2, and so on. I'm going to use heading 1. Then once you're happy with everything, go to the top left and then select insert. After selecting insert, scroll down all the way to the bottom and then look for something which says table of contents. And there's going to be different formats in which you can enter it. So there is the plain text, dotted, and then there's the links. I'm going to use plain text. And if you scroll up a bit, you'll see that it's going to create a little table of contents for you. And it's going to show you where each of these headings are on various pages. So this one is on page 2, page 3, and page 4. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.